My name is Chase Dahlrup. I'm from Irene, South Dakota, and I am a second-year student in diesel power, ag power technology. Some things I considered when searching for a technical college was the variety of machines that I would work on, expanding my knowledge, not just on one machine, but on a variety of brands.
I'm Carolyn Overy from Kimball, South Dakota in the Diesel Power Ag Power Technology program at Mitchell Tech. I got into ag power technology from watching my dad work on his tractors and watching my grandpa work from his tractors, and I just really wanted to help expand to their business and learn what they do.
Coming into the school, I had a very basic knowledge of anything, but I feel like this program has really advanced it, and now I can actually seem knowledgeable when I'm talking to a customer about something.
Once I first got here, I didn't have any knowledge about diesels. And now I can tear apart a diesel, overhaul a tractor all by myself. The instructors, they really work with you. They're one-on-one, like you really get time with them. They help you explain things. They show you how to do it, and they really work with you.
One thing I learned about myself is anything is possible. You know, going into this, I have never touched a diesel engine in my life. I will admit that. Now that I'm here, I know what I am doing, and I owe all of that to Mitchell Tech.
I feel it's different here because you're more than just a student to them. They know you by more than just your name. They ask you about why you wanted to be in this program. They really try to be more kind of like your friend.
The instructors here do a very good job of simplifying it down so it makes sense. He'll take the time, show you it in the book, and if you don't understand it, he'll take the time to show you it in the shop where you can actually be hands-on and you can feel like, okay, this is how this is supposed to feel.
I feel like I'll be really equipped with information I learned from here. They really help you out and teach you everything that they can in the short amount of time that you're here.
I'm being the best at Mitchell Tech.
I'm being the best at Mitchell Tech.